Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Windows 10 is up to date, and you reboot if updates are pending. This prevents conflicts. Next, press Win plus X and open Device Manager to locate the problem entry. Look for Unknown Device or any media-related yellow triangle. Once found, open Properties and copy the hardware ID, VID, and PID. That lets you fetch the exact driver from the vendor. While you do that, download the matched driver package to a known folder so you can install it next. Now install the driver you downloaded. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for driver software, point to the folder with the INF or Run the Vendor, EXE as administrator. If automatic install fails, extract the package and use Have Disk to select the INF. That forces proper binding. For USB media devices, uninstall the device first, unplug the cable, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect. Windows will re-enumerate and apply the new driver. Finish by rebooting so the new driver loads cleanly. After restart, confirm in Device Manager that the media device reports no errors and that the correct driver provider is listed. If problems continue, run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter and follow its prompts. If the issue persists, roll back to the previous driver or choose an older WHQL-signed driver from the vendor. Sometimes the latest build is incompatible. One key troubleshooting tip: use System Restore Point made before driver changes to revert quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.